One of the most important numbers for CPP calculations is called the Maximum Pensionable Earnings Average, or MPEA. The MPEA is used when all your past earnings are adjusted to a present-day value to account for wage inflation. This wage inflation adjustment is the first thing that happens when your CPP retirement pension is calculated. The MPEA is the 5-year average of the YMPE in the year you start to receive your CPP pension and the YMPE in the previous 4 years. The MPEA wasn't always a 5-year average. Historic MPEA information is shown here on the reference tool. Up to the year 1998, the MPEA was a 3-year average. During the transition year, 1998, the MPEA was a 4-year average. The current 5-year average for the MPEA began after 1998. The MPEA is used in calculations for all 3 parts of the Canada Pension Plan: the base CPP, the first additional CPP, and the second additional CPP.